In this lesson, I will give step-by-step instructions on how to install a new theme for your Drupal 8 localhost installation. These same steps are valid even if you are uploading to a server or even if you are using an earlier version like a Drupal 7 with a few slight changes. Step 1 is to download the theme. You can find the themes on the official Drupal.org site from the main download and extend link at the top. The URL for this is drupal.org project/project theme. And you can as well download from many external sites that are available. Make sure the version of the theme matches your own version of Drupal. This is a very important point and a very common beginner pitfall. This same logic applies to all modules also that you will want to download. Note that the themes which are labeled as a dev are in a development stage. They may be written for a previous or a current future version of Drupal, and dev versions are considered unstable as work is still going on. You should handle them with care. You should know the risks involved in using a dev version. Now, I have already downloaded a couple of themes. You can see here Nexus and Zircon, and I have kept it in a temp folder. Step 2 will be for you to extract the files. When you first get the theme, it will appear in a compressed file format such as tar.gz or zip. And on Windows, use a program like 7-zip or the inbuilt zip extractor and extract it. On the Mac, you can use a program such as Stuffit Expander. Once you do that, you should see a main folder with the theme name, and this in turn will have a set folders and files. Now, after you have expanded it, step 3 will be to upload the folder. In my case, I'm going to copy it, and you can either, depending on your situation, you can either FTP or you can copy or you can use SCP. Either ways, you have to upload the folder to the correct themes folder in your Drupal installation. If you are on a Drupal 8 version, see this very carefully. I'm on the root. This is my Drupal root. These are my Drupal root folder structure. You should copy or upload the new folder into Drupal's themes folder, high level folder. Open it, and I'm going to paste it here. Now, if you are on Drupal 7, then you shouldn't place them here. Actually place them under sites/all/themes folder. Since I'm on Drupal 8, that is not even shown here, but you can create one. And note, if you are used to putting it in this location because you come from Drupal 7, even if you create that folder structure in Drupal 8, it will still work because Drupal 8 is backward compatible with the folder structure. But I don't recommend you doing that. And since I am on Drupal 8, I have correctly placed the folder in root themes folder. The next step 4 is for you to read the instructions that will be provided with the theme. If the theme has an installation file, usually it will be called as install.txt or readme.txt. Read it for specific instructions. In fact, this particular theme did not have any additional instructions, but you have to check it for due diligence. There will be themes that require extra special treatment to function properly. Now I will go into my Drupal appearance admin link, and when you refresh the appearance page, you will see your newly installed theme. And step 5 will be to install. You can actually use either of these two links. I will use this install link. It will take a few moments for the theme installation to complete because Drupal has kick-started its install scripts and they are running in the background now. And you will get a confirmation message saying that the theme has been installed. And the next step is optional. If you want the theme to be applied to the site, then you have to click on this set as default link. Again, it takes a moment. Confirmation message is now the default theme, and I will click on back to site link. Now you can see there is a complete visual transformation because a new theme Zircon has been applied. Our site looked like this with the Baltic theme, which we had also slightly modified. Now it looks like this. You can see the background color has changed, fonts have changed, the header design has changed. It's not looking great, needs some work, but it's different. Actually, I like this. It looks pretty simplistic. If you run into problems during theme installation, there are a few things that you can do. The first option will be for you to clear the caches as I have shown in the previous lesson. You can find that by traversing to the configuration in admin menu and then to the development section and to the performance page. Inside that page, you will find the clear cache button. If that does not resolve the problem, revert back to Baltic or some theme that you know is functioning correctly. Alternately, you can check the theme's issue queue. Every theme will have an issue queue. Go and check there and search the forums. If your problem hasn't already been addressed, just post a question and someone will try to help you out. I will not address theme issues in this course's Q&A section, as it will be completely out of scope for me to understand a third-party theme. But if you do ask there, always include a screenshot and full details of steps that you have done and all your installed versions, and I will try my best to help. Typically, issues will not happen, and with that, I will conclude this lesson. You will have a lot of fun playing with themes, and it is highly educational. So I recommend that you experiment hands-on with as many themes as possible on your test installation.